What is up guys, Light here. In today's video, we're gonna check out the MagSafe Duo Charger. So over here, we do have a wireless charger for the iPhone and of course, a charger for your Apple Watch. And if we do check out the back of the box right here, it looks like we do get some useful information which we can really see right now. So let's go ahead and unwrap this first. So let's find the flap right here and let's go ahead and unwrap it. And here we go. Here we have the image of the MagSafe Duo. Now if we do check out here on the bottom, we do get here the compatibility information about the MagSafe Duo. And here on the back, we do get a useful information about the MagSafe Duo's name and of course the required power adapter and some other visual representation how you may place your iPhone and Apple Watch. And we even get here a preview of the cable that we get inside the box and some useful information on how you may place your Apple Watch as well over here. Now if we do check out the sides right here, here on the top we do get a clear top, clear left side and clear right side. So that's pretty much it for the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. And here we go. Here we have the MagSafe Duo. So let's go ahead and pull this out. And here we go. Here we have the MagSafe Duo. And let's try to close it. That looks good. And we even have this nice Apple logo right here. And on the back, we have the Apple Watch charger, I assume. Let's open it to confirm. And yep, that's the Apple Watch charger. So let's set that aside and let's check out the other stuff inside here. So it looks like we do get the standard Apple documentation, which right here we do get the safety and handling, regulatory and compliance, and warranty summary for the MagSafe Duo. And we don't get any Apple stickers since this is an Apple accessory. Now if we do check here the other stuff inside the box, we get here a Lightning to USB-C cable, which is expected because we're now transitioning to USB-C. Alright, so that's pretty much it for what is inside the box. So let's go ahead and clear all of these up. And let's take a look inside the MagSafe Duo. So here we have the MagSafe charger for the iPhone. And on the other side, the charger for the Apple Watch, which goes all the way to the back. Now let's check out the measurement of the MagSafe Duo. When folded, the MagSafe Duo has a length of 3 inches and a width of 3.1 inches. But if we go ahead and open the MagSafe Duo, we do get a length of around 6.5 inches. Which is already a good distance to place our iPhone and of course our Apple Watch. And considering that it is a small charger, we could always take it anywhere with us on the go. And for you guys who prefer to do visual representation, here we have the MagSafe Duo compared to the size of a credit card. So here we go. Here we have the card compared to the MagSafe Duo. And here it is compared to its standard size of $1. And we've put that on top. As you can see, the MagSafe Duo is slightly bigger. Now here it is compared to the Canadian dollar. Now putting this on top, you can see it's almost the same size, except the MagSafe Duo is a touch bigger. And here we have the Indian rupee right here. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but please let me know in the comment box below. But here it is compared with the MagSafe Duo, which almost has identical size. And of course, right here we do have it compared to the Philippine peso right here, which is slightly smaller than the MagSafe Duo. And as you can see, the MagSafe Duo is just small enough to fit in our pocket or put inside our bag or really wherever you want to, because it's a good small device to always take with us on the go. Also, some other cool things about the MagSafe Duo is that we do get this nice embossed Apple logo right here, and we also get a nice premium feel on the metal right here on the back. And also, if we do open this up, the MagSafe charger right here is also compatible with key wireless charging, so your key wireless charging device should be able to charge with the MagSafe Duo as well. Also, the Apple Watch charger right here, if we put it on nightstand mode, so let's go ahead and poke that, it can go all the way up to here, as you could see. And the MagSafe Duo is really magnetic, so if you go ahead and close it, you can see it snaps. And right here on the top, we have here the lightning port. So let's go ahead and try to put some sample items right here. So we're gonna put here the Apple Watch on nightstand mode, and here we have the Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and put that on the MagSafe Duo, and as you can see, it attracts the magnet, and there we go. Here we have the Apple Watch and the iPhone. And this is how it's gonna look like when you do have the MagSafe Duo with both of your devices, which I can currently test right now the charging since I'm currently outside. So let's go ahead and do that inside the hotel room. So here we are in the room, and we have here the MagSafe Duo, and here we have the lightning cable plug into the 6 to 1 watt port. And opening it up, here we have it on the table. So let's go ahead and first try it out with the Apple Watch. And that charges the Apple Watch, as you can see. Now let's do it with the iPhone 12. And there we get the MagSafe charging indicator. Now let's try it out with the iPhone 11. So if we place this on the MagSafe Duo, it charges. As you can see, there's the charging indicator right there. But let's go ahead and try that again to get the charging animation. Alright, let's just put it for a while, and that should be good. And there you go, we just get the standard charging indicator for the iPhone 11. And here we have the AirPods Pro, and as you can see, it also charges. And there would be instances that you might want to use the nightstand mode, such as when you have a strap that is quite difficult to place here on a flat mode. So like this one with the Milanese loop, you're gonna want to use the nightstand mode to charge your Apple Watch. And yes, these loops include the solo loop and the braided solo loops. And here's a sample of the MagSafe Duo charging the iPhone SE. So after a week of using this, here's what I can tell you about the MagSafe Duo. The MagSafe Duo is a good travel companion. So previously I need to bring my lightning cable, then I need to bring an adapter for that, then I also need to bring my cable for my Apple Watch, and of course another adapter for that. And if you're like me who travels with their MacBook, you're gonna bring a MacBook power adapter, and of course the USB-C to USB-C cable. So these are a lot of things to bring inside your bag. So with the MagSafe Duo, we could just get rid of the cable for the Apple Watch and power adapter, and this additional power adapter for the Lightning to USB-C cable, and just bring these 4 things with us, which is pretty convenient if you're someone who likes to travel, so you could finally travel light with the MagSafe Duo. And some other things that you need to know about the MagSafe Duo. So if you're planning to use a power bank with the MagSafe Duo, it won't be able to meet the power requirements needed by the MagSafe Duo to charge the device. So as you can see right here, we have the MagSafe Duo attached to the power bank, and as you can see, it charges my Apple Watch. But if we go ahead and try to charge the iPhone right here, and if I place it on the MagSafe Duo, it doesn't charge, even though it's directly placed on the center. as you could see. Now I tried using another power bank such as this one from Anker. And just putting on the side note, this is what I'm telling you about why you should use the nightstand mode. Because trying to force it on the flat layout kinda feels off right here. But going back to the wireless charging topic, so if we do try to charge the iPhone right here, as you can see, it does not charge even if we do try to realign it. The power requirements is not met. Even if I try to remove the Apple Watch, it still won't charge the iPhone. And if you do check out Apple's website about the MagSafe Duo, and if you scroll down into product information, you can see right here on the recommended, we have here a 20-watt USB-C power adapter that supports 9 volts to 22 ampere for wireless charging up to 11 watts, and a 27 USB-C power adapter that supports 9 volts to 3 amperes for 14 watts charging. Which you could always go ahead and get one in Apple's website, such as this one with the 20-watt USB-C power adapter. But there are also some cheaper alternatives, such as this one from Anker. We have here a 20-watt charger from Anker using USB-C as well. And this one from Ugreen that supports 30 watts charging that is using USB-C. But if you're just someone who is after a travel charger similar to the MagSafe Duo that has a wireless charger and an Apple Watch charger, and if you're considering checking out some cheaper alternatives similar to the MagSafe Duo, there are many available, such as this one from Zeo Digital, which also has a wireless charger right here and a charger for the Apple Watch. Also, you could put it on nightstand mode to have your Apple Watch on nightstand mode. And like the MagSafe Duo, this does require a certain power requirement, such as this one, you need to have a 9 volt to 2 ampere power adapter in order for this to work properly. So that is the MagSafe Duo. In my opinion, it is a good charger and a good travel companion for you to always take wherever you want to go. So you could go ahead and travel light and just carry a few items to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, or whatever device that you have that supports key wireless charging. How about you guys? What do you think about the MagSafe Duo? Let us know in the comment box below. And as always guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.